In this video, you'll learn how to add a calendar link in an email using Mailchimp. By the end, you will be able to integrate calendar links seamlessly into your email campaigns. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options for managing your email campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create Campaign button. This option is usually found prominently on your dashboard. After selecting it, you'll be directed to a new screen where you can choose the type of campaign you want to create. Click on Regular Email to proceed. After that, you will see a screen prompting you to set up your email campaign. Click on Design Email to choose the design and layout for your message. This will take you to the design interface where you can customize your email. Once this appears, look for a button or icon labeled Close in the upper right corner of the design interface. Click on it to exit any pop-up or modal that may have opened. This brings you back to the main campaign setup screen. Now click on Design Email again to ensure you are in the correct section for editing your email. This action will reopen the design options for your email campaign. You will then need to select a template for your email, browse through the available options and choose one that suits your needs. After making your selection, click on Apply to confirm your choice and proceed with the design. Next, locate the Show More option, usually found on the right side of the design interface. Clicking this will reveal additional features and settings that you can use to enhance your email. Once the additional options are visible, find and click on Apps. This section allows you to integrate various applications into your email campaign, including calendar functionalities. Now click on Add Event Calendar Links to start the process of adding a calendar link to your email. This option will allow you to create and manage calendar events directly within your email. After that, you will need to click on Connect. This action will initiate the connection process with the calendar application, enabling you to link your events effectively. Next, you will be prompted to sign in. Click on Sign In to proceed with authentication. This may redirect you to another page where you will need to enter your credentials to access the calendar service. You will then see an option labeled Sign In with Google. Click on this button if you're using a Google account to connect your calendar. This will simplify the sign-in process, allowing you to quickly integrate your calendar with Mailchimp. At this point, you should be signed in successfully. You can now create calendar links that can be included in your email campaign. Make sure to review the link settings to ensure they fit your intended use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.